forgiveness, and repentance. The secret door that never closes. The theology of repentance in Islam is surprisingly structured and intellectual. Scholars explain that sincere repentance, tawbah, has three core conditions: guilt, remorse for the sin, immediate cessation of the sin, and firm resolve never to return. When the sin involves harming another human being, a fourth condition is added: restoring their rights, apologizing, or compensating them. This structure shows that repentance is not simply an emotional cry, it is a moral transformation. Islamic scholars describe repentance as a spiritual surgery that removes the infection from the heart. Sufi scholars went even further in analyzing the inner world of repentance. For them, Tawbah was not merely turning away from sins, but turning toward God with the full force of one's heart. Al-Ghazali. Washington government really Rumi describes sins as the night that makes the dawn meaningful, arguing that falling creates depth, empathy, and expansion. Ibn al-Qayyim described the repenting heart as a bird with two wings, fear and hope that cannot fly if either is broken. These reflections show how deeply Islamic spirituality is rooted in the human struggle between weakness and aspiration.